Welcome to this powerful, wealth-attracting ritual where ancient wisdom and the energy of nature combine to invite prosperity into your life. Today, we're going to transform your bathroom into a sacred space of abundance using specific herbs like basil, lavender, and lotus petals. These simple yet powerful ingredients hold centuries of spiritual significance, known to bring financial success, peace, and positive energy flow. If you're ready to unlock new opportunities and clear financial blockages, follow along as we guide you step by step through this wealth magnet ritual. In this ritual, specific herbs like basil, lavender, and lotus petals are used in your bathroom space to create a magnet for wealth and financial abundance. Listen till end for a very useful bonus tip. Each herb carries its own symbolic and energetic properties, which, according to ancient spiritual practices, can influence prosperity, purification, and positive energy flow. Here's how to perform this wealth-attracting ritual using these sacred herbs in your bathroom. What you'll need: basil, known for its strong association with attracting wealth and success. Lavender helps promote peace, harmony, and positive energy, ideal for removing financial blockages. Lotus petals symbolizes purity, spiritual growth, and prosperity in Buddhist traditions. Sea salt, used for purification and cleansing negative energies. Candle, white or green, symbolizing purity and growth. Small bowl or bag, to hold the herbs and release their essence into the space. Step-by-step ritual. 1. Cleanse your bathroom. Begin by thoroughly cleaning your bathroom to remove any negative or stagnant energy. A clean space is essential for energy flow. As you clean, visualize the space being purified, leaving room for wealth and abundance to enter. 2. Prepare the herb mixture. Take your chosen herbs. Basil, known as the king of herbs, it is traditionally used in rituals to draw financial success. Lavender, add for calming energy and to attract opportunities with peace of mind. Lotus petals. These sacred petals invoke spiritual wealth and growth, adding a divine touch to your ritual. Mix these herbs together in a small bowl or fabric bag. As you mix, close your eyes and set your intentions. Imagine the flow of wealth and prosperity entering your life. Focus on what you want to manifest: financial growth, new opportunities, or abundance in any form. 3. Create a sacred bath space. Run a warm bath or place the bowl or bag of herbs on a windowsill or shelf in your bathroom. Alternatively, if you're not taking a bath, place the herbs near the sink or on a shelf in the bathroom where you frequently wash your hands. The goal is to infuse the space with the energy of the herbs. 4. Light the candle. Light a green or white candle and place it near the herb mixture. Green symbolizes growth and abundance, while white brings in purity and clarity. As the candle burns, visualize the flame growing brighter and brighter, symbolizing the expansion of your wealth and opportunities. 5. Recite an intention or mantra. As you sit in the space, either during a bath or standing in front of the candle, repeat an intention or mantra. A simple Buddhist mantra for attracting wealth could be Om Vasudhare Svaha. Vasudhara is the Buddhist goddess of wealth and abundance, and this mantra calls upon her blessings for prosperity. Say this mantra 3 or 9 times, or as many times as feels right to you, while focusing on your financial goals. 6. Visualize wealth flowing. In whether you're soaking in the bath or standing in the bathroom space, close your eyes and visualize abundance flowing into your life. Picture money, opportunities, and positive growth coming to you effortlessly, like water flowing through a river. Imagine your wallet, bank account, and heart filling with prosperity and gratitude. 7. Leave the herbs in place. Once you've finished your ritual, leave the herbs in the bathroom for at least 7 days or until the next full moon. to continue drawing positive energy and financial abundance into your life. You can refresh the herbs every week if desired. The power of these herbs. Basil. Known for its magical ability to bring wealth and luck. In spiritual practices, it's often used in money spells and rituals because of its high vibrational energy. Lavender helps soothe anxiety about finances, encouraging a clear and peaceful mindset that attracts opportunities without stress. Lotus Petals, a powerful symbol of spiritual and material growth, aligning your energies with higher realms of prosperity. Bonus tip: enhance the ritual. Add a few drops of basil or lavender essential oil to your bath or bathroom diffuser to further amplify the energies of the ritual. Sprinkle sea salt around the room for cleansing, removing financial blockages, and allowing a fresh flow of abundance. By incorporating these simple but powerful herbs into your bathroom space, you're aligning yourself with the ancient wisdom of herbal and spiritual practices. This ritual invites financial prosperity and positive energy to flow into your life in ways you may not expect, creating a true wealth magnet.